Hey guys, what's up? I'm Ellie and welcome to my channel. Haven't said that in a while, it's been a hot minute. Today's video is one that I am actually so excited about. I've been working on it for a while. It's been a long time coming. I'm sure you already know what it is because you read the title, but today I'm going to be sharing with you my first fall capsule wardrobe. I have been wanting to start a capsule wardrobe for quite a while. I always thought it was a really good idea and it might be a fun challenge for me as I'm kind of a shopaholic. I'm assuming most of you know what a capsule wardrobe is, but maybe you don't and this is your first time hearing of one, so I will quickly explain. A capsule wardrobe is basically simplifying your wardrobe, I guess. You have less pieces in your closet than you did before, but the items that you have are ones that you really love to wear and you can mix and match in so many different ways. I don't know if that was a good explanation. I tried, I'm sorry. But today I'm going to be sharing with you my experience doing a capsule wardrobe, kind of what I have done myself. And what I love about the whole capsule wardrobe idea is that you can totally personalize it to yourself. So for me, I did a ton of research and I looked at lots of different blogs and ideas about it, and I kind of settled on one specific blog. I will link it down below. It's a really great blog all about capsule wardrobes and like minimalizing your closet, and it's really great. And she has free printables and like wardrobe guides, super awesome, so I will totally link her down below. Check her out. But I kind of went off of her idea. I think she did 38 pieces, if I'm not mistaken, in her wardrobe, and I decided to just round it up and go to 40. I got out all of my fall clothes that I already had, and I picked the pieces that I really loved to wear, and I kept those, put them back in my closet, and then I noticed the trend of the types of things that I like to wear, styles of shirts and pants and dresses and patterns that I like and colors that I like, and then from there I came up with a color scheme and I planned out my whole wardrobe. I bought a few new pieces, but most of my wardrobe was made up of things that I already had, which I think is awesome because it just made me realize all of the things that I already had. I didn't need to buy a ton of new things to feel like I had a new wardrobe. Like I said, I did 40 pieces and I decided not to include accessories in on that. I think usually people do count their accessories as part of their wardrobe, but I decided that I wanted to have that kind of flexibility and I still wanted to be able to throw on a scarf if I felt kind of plain and boring one day. So I did keep that flexibility for myself personally, but if you're going to start a capsule wardrobe, like I said earlier, it can be totally customizable, which is awesome. It's just all what's going to make you happy. And I also decided that I'm going to do 4 capsules, one for each season, because I live in Utah and the weather's always changing. So I decided it would probably work best for me if I had a different wardrobe for each season. And I do have a few trendier pieces in my wardrobe because I figure every year I can trade out maybe 3 or 4 items to just kind of freshen up my wardrobe. And really, it's all about simplifying life too, because I seriously almost every day would go into my closet and I'd be like, I have nothing to wear. And it was so frustrating because I knew I had so many things and I had so many cute pieces, but I just couldn't think of anything to wear. I couldn't come up with outfit ideas and I was just struggling with it. And the crazy thing is that this whole capsule wardrobe journey has been so much fun for me. I didn't expect it to be fun and I don't even have to think about what I'm gonna wear in the morning. I just get up and I can make an outfit out of almost anything because all of my pieces go together and I love every single thing in my closet. And I haven't even been tempted to shop this whole season since I started my capsule, which is incredible because I was such a shopaholic. So this has been a really fun new thing for me to try out, and so obviously I wanted to share it with you guys. So here is my first fall capsule wardrobe. Item number 1 is this super cute and comfortable white sweater with button detailing on the sleeve. Number 2 is this olive green skirt, and number 3 are my olive green ankle boots. Number 4 is this rust colored dress with lace detailing, and number 5 are my most comfortable tan ankle boots. Number 6 is this fall floral maxi dress. Number 7 is a blue long sleeve t-shirt, and number 8 are my favorite pair of high-waisted button-up jeans. Number 9 is this adorable yellow jacket. And number 10 are my combat boots that I wear pretty much every day. Number 11 is this cozy long cardigan, and number 12 is my yellow t-shirt. Number 13 are my distressed jeans, and number 14 are these knockoff Oxford shoes. Number 15 is my favorite flannel, and number 16 is this white lace dress. Number 17 is a red button-up cardigan, and number 18 is this tan sweater dress. Number 19 is this casual rust-colored tie dress. Number 20 is my favorite cozy purple sweater. 21 is this white button-up blouse, and 22 are these super fun gingham pants. 23 are these black rain boots, and number 24 is my favorite yellow dress. Number 25 is this stripe mock neck tee, and 26 is this suede button-down skirt. Number 27 is this adorable flowy gingham dress, and 28 are these fun maroon booties. Number 29 is this neutral floral dress, and 30 are these adorable lace-up green flats. Number 31 is the cutest denim skirt with suspenders, and 32 is this rust-colored sweater. $33 is my favorite green utility jacket, and $34 is this short sleeve denim dress.
When I met you, when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love.
35 is this mustard yellow sweater, and 36 is this gray wrap skirt.
Stopped it right before it had begun.
Number 37 are my black jeans, 38 is my denim jacket, and 39 is this super cozy mock neck tan sweater.
You love like you didn't care.
And for the final number 40, I just have my taupe ankle boots. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something from it. Now you've seen literally my entire wardrobe, so that's a little weird, but you know everything in my closet. If you did like this video, and if you want me to do my other capsule wardrobe videos in the upcoming seasons, make sure you give this one a big thumbs up, and comment down below what your favorite fall fashion item is, like a flannel button down or ankle boots or a scarf, whatever it is. Comment down below. I can't pick one. Fall fashion is my favorite. I think that's all I got for you today, so thank you again for watching. I love you all to the moon and back. Your constant support and love seriously overwhelms me. You all are incredible and amazing. I hope you have a fabulous day. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.